Alright, so this is an experiment to see what is the difference between chemical changes and physical changes. So each group of you will be given a heat-proof mat, a burner which is alcohol in it, because here we don't have gas, we can't use Bunsen burner, we use this instead. And we'll be given two test tubes in a beaker. One is ice and one is a powder of copper carbonate. So for safety, use your goggles whole time during this experiment, and we're gonna turn on the burner. I will do this for you for each group, so you don't need to be worried about turning on. Once you make sure you have your goggles, you start with the ice. So take the test tube with the test tube holder, and this one includes some ice. You keep it above the flame. All of you know what will happen, but the important is to explain, is it physical or is it chemical? And you need to explain why. So see carefully what is your observation, what do you observe, what is happening. You need to draw a schematic diagram about the equipment and arrangements, and also to explain what is happening and your conclusion, why it is chemical or physical change. Okay, so this is the first one, about melting ice. Secondly, we have powder of copper carbonate. We keep the powder of copper carbonate again on top of the flame. Make sure it's not toward any of you, so it should be toward the wall, so in case the powder gets very hot and jumps out of the test tube, no one get damaged. As you can see, the gas is formed below it and it pushes it up. That's why I touched it to the mat. To see what is your observation, anything that you can observe. Is it you observe that the gas pushed it up? Which gas was that? Where did it come from? And what does it mean in terms of the changes that we are observing? Is it a chemical or physical? And also what you can see, what do you see in the appearance of the powder? Any change that you notice, you need to add it as your observation, and again explain why. It can help you to understand if it is chemical or physical. As you can see, again, the gas pushes the top part, and now I've got two parts of the powder. All right, so once you experiment this, it is done. You can bring it, you can discuss about your observation with your teams and put it back in the beaker and simply turn off the burner. And now you need to complete your worksheets, drawing schematic diagram about both two changes, deciding which type are either of these, chemical or physical, and explain why. Thank you.